Hello and welcome to another episode of Spare Time Gardening with me, Simon, and I'm in the extension for a change. In this episode we'll be having a look at the new greenhouse. Now it's arrived, so we'll get that put together and we'll hopefully have somewhere to grow the tomatoes and cucumbers, although we are a little bit late in the season now, but as always, enjoy. Now that's the patio grouted with black charcoal grout. Looking very smart now, just need the slate to go around the edges. And probably need another final sweep in a little while. Take about between 6 and 12 hours for the grout to go off. But looking nice. So another job ticked off the list. That's the greenhouse base in, level and concreted in, ready for the actual greenhouse itself. So that's another job done. So these are the components. So you've got the front and rear ends and the two sides built. Now we just need to transfer it over to the base over there and fasten it together and put the roof on. So let's start with that. So the greenhouse is now fully glazed, and I've built a path inside and a place for the staging. So that's ready for leaf mould and the tomatoes going in. And we've got the three of the 4 planters in situ. One's got strawberries in and a rhubarb, others will have other vegetables in. And then in front of it we're going to put a 4th one. So starting to come together nicely now. There's Mr. Blackbird going to dig all the grubs and the worms out of the planter. Oh, and there's Mrs. Blackbird. Obviously got some young to feed. Collecting all the grubs and the worms to feed the chicks. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button, and please feel free to leave your comments and feedback below. I'd love to hear from you, so don't be shy, and of course I'll reply. See you soon.